Here we're going to be working on a Sony PlayStation 5 that came in for an HDMI port replacement. Customer said that he took this to another shop and they told him that they do not work on HDMI connectors. So let's take a look and see if the other shop worked on this console or not. What do you think? They did not touch it. That's what they told the customer. And they sent them over to us. Right now, based on first impression, I think we see two missing pads right here. And we do not know what else is wrong here. Let's start by desoldering the connector, and we'll take it from there. And the connector is out. And look at this, we do have missing pads. It looks like we have 3 missing pads, or is it 2? We're gonna have to tackle this from the back. I do not know what type of solder was used on this board. Flip the board. Oh, this is nothing. And we're gonna also pre-apply solder onto the pads because we're gonna reflow the HDMI connector. Just keep it there for 15-20 seconds until it shuts off. A lot of you have been inquiring about this lamp. It's currently out of stock, but we are expecting a shipment later this week. So check again. And just a little bit of hot air. Right, and we're all good. Right now all we have to do is just thin those wires, and we're gonna reflow a new HDMI connector. And now we're gonna solder a new HDMI connector right over here, and we're gonna reflow that connector down in place. The camera went out of focus because I'm pressing down on the board, and since I do not have a third hand to focus the camera, I cannot do it. But now I let go of the hot air and we can focus the camera. The pins should be soldered on nicely, but we're gonna have to check one by one. And let's check. We're gonna start with the pin on the far left. Solid. And all the pins are super solid. Now we want to make sure the wires are moving along with the pin. I touched up on both wires. And now this one is good, and this one is good. Very nice. And one last thing we want to do is replace this missing capacitor. Very good. All right, the job is done. We're all good. I'm gonna give this to Big Boss to reassemble and test, and I'll be back. Big Boss reassembled the console, and we'll see. Oh, done. The job is done. Great. All right, he's gonna finish reassembling the console, and we're gonna call the customer to come and pick up.